Discover the ultimate solution for pristine carpets with our selection of the best carpet cleaners. Say goodbye to stubborn stains, odors, and dirt that have been plaguing your floors. Our top-rated carpet cleaners offer powerful suction and advanced cleaning technology to revive even the most tired carpets, leaving them fresh, soft, and looking like new. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best carpet cleaners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam, ranked as the number 5 best carpet cleaner. It brings innovation to your cleaning routine. With exclusive HydroSteam technology, it's the only cleaner of its kind, offering unparalleled power and efficiency. Experience 2 times better cleaning with Steam Wash Max Clean Mode, effectively washing away embedded dirt, stains, and allergens. Tackle tough, stuck-on messes effortlessly with Steam Pre-Treat Mode. Moreover, enjoy the convenience of fast drying as it dries in about 30 minutes in Quick Dry Mode. Equipped with 2 essential tools, the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery Tool and the 6-inch Tough Stain Tool, it efficiently cleans both wet and dry messes, making it ideal for various surfaces and furniture. Featuring 2 dirt lifter power brushes with 12 rows of bristles, it effectively removes embedded dirt and stains, while the one-piece Easy Clean Brush roll cover simplifies post-cleaning maintenance. With fingertip controls and an LED display, navigating through cleaning modes is effortless. Priced competitively at $349 US. Presenting the Hoover Power Scrub Elite, ranked as the 4th best carpet cleaner. This powerhouse device boasts a spin scrub system, designed to eradicate deep-seated dirt and stains with its 360-degree brushes and robust suction, all while maintaining gentleness towards your beloved carpets. With its fast dry time feature, you can swiftly address surface stains using the quick clean mode and revel in dry carpets within a mere 45 minutes. Moreover, its large capacity tanks, featuring a 2-tank system with a 25% larger tank, ensure that dirty water remains segregated from the clean water, thereby extending cleaning sessions and minimizing the need for frequent refills. Included in this comprehensive package are essential accessories such as an 8-foot hose for tackling hard-to-reach areas, a 2-in-1 pet tool attachment for combating pet hair, stains, and odors, and a sample bottle of carpet cleaning pet solution. All these remarkable features come at a reasonable price of $200 US. Discover the Vax Smartwash Pet Design Carpet Cleaner, ranked as the number 3 best carpet cleaner. Priced at $320 US, it's a smart investment for maintaining a clean and hygienic home environment. This innovative cleaner doesn't just clean, it revolutionizes the way you tackle carpet maintenance. With its advanced motion sense technology, cleaning becomes effortless. Simply push and pull, and the Smartwash Pet Design takes care of the rest, washing as you push forward and drying as you pull back. Its Flex-Force brush bars penetrate deep into carpet fibers, effectively lifting stubborn dirt and stains. Equipped with a stubborn stain pre-treatment wand, you can target tough stains anytime, anywhere. The included Vax Platinum antibacterial solution ensures superior cleaning performance and long-term usage. Moreover, the machine neutralizes odors, leaving your home smelling fresh, while the dedicated dry-only mode ensures carpets dry in as little as 1 hour, thanks to heat blast technology. For comprehensive cleaning, the Spin Scrub hand tool effortlessly tackles above-floor surfaces. Maintenance is a breeze with easily removable components and antimicrobial treatment to keep your tools hygienic. Introducing the Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Lightweight Upright Carpet Cleaner, crafted with the busy lives of pet owners in mind. Engineered to swiftly tackle the inevitable messes pets leave behind, this device embodies convenience and efficiency. Weighing under 14 pounds, its lightweight construction ensures effortless maneuverability throughout your home, akin to vacuuming. Equipped with LED headlights to reveal hidden stains, the CleanShot pre-treater targets even the most stubborn pet stains, while the XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush boasts double the bristles for effective stain removal. Utilize the included Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula to combat tough stains with ease. Featuring Express Clean Mode, carpets dry in approximately 30 minutes, eliminating long waiting periods. Maintenance is a breeze with the easy cleanup design, allowing for easy removal and rinsing of components. Furthermore, every purchase contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, aiding in the rescue and support of pets in need. Priced at $265, the Bissell Jet Scrub Pet offers a comprehensive solution to pet stains and odors while supporting a noble cause. Say hello to the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine, hailed as the #1 choice for effective carpet cleaning. Priced at $119, it's a worthy investment for those seeking pristine carpets without breaking the bank. This compact cleaner boasts an easy-to-use design, making it a breeze to maneuver and store. Despite its small size, its cleaning power is formidable, tackling pet messes, high-traffic areas, and even area rugs with ease. Equipped with heat force technology, it ensures faster drying times, allowing you to swiftly return to your refreshed carpets. Designed with pet owners in mind, the PowerDash features an antimicrobial brush roll, effectively combating odors and stains left by furry friends. Included in the package is a trial-size carpet cleaning solution to enhance your cleaning performance right out of the box. With its compact form factor and efficient cleaning capabilities, the PowerDash is the perfect solution for homes with limited storage space or those residing in small apartments. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to revitalized carpets with the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.